Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. For years we've been asked how an exhaust system will withstand the test of time. It's a rightful concern, seeing that you would like the exhaust system to stick around a while so you can enjoy the wonderful exhaust note. As most of you guys know, if you have been following us, we installed an AWE system on our 2016 Camaro SS a while back, and today we're going to show you how the system has held up over time with its commission to being a daily driven car. Now, full disclosure, this car is not clean. I wanted to show you the daily side of the exhaust and what it typically looks like putting up with our local weather. For those of you that do not know, the AWE systems are constructed out of T304L stainless steel and are proudly manufactured in the USA. The steel AWE has assigned to their systems is a specifically built steel that is manufactured featuring extra low carbon when compared to other 304 stainless steel materials. This gives AWE a leg up in their systems simply because the T304L material allows for a much nicer final result after the pipes have been welded together. With a no compromises mindset for sound to give you the all muscle and zero drone exhaust note, AWE has created their touring and track edition systems. No matter which version of the system you go with, both will be constructed out of CNC mandrel bent 3-inch T304 stainless steel. What I have here to show you is going to be their catback version of their Touring Edition system, featuring their proprietary 180 technology straight through drone canceling muffler. And as you can see, with it being put through the daily life for the past few years, this AWE system has held up very well. Everything about this system has held up without any issues over the years. From the connection points to the hangers, all in perfect working condition. Even the large 4.5-inch double-walled tips. A simple wipe of the tips and these will still shine like they just came out of the box. Yes, there is a bit of color change to the system, but that is only to be had by any exhaust system you go with. The color change is completely normal when the heat from the exhaust system passes through the 3-inch tubing. So if you've been thinking about grabbing yourself an exhaust system, but you want to make sure it's going to last, you might want to take a look at AWE and their handcrafted systems. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about AWE products, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.